Now there are no specifications on here. So let's go ahead and unbox it. So this is the Galaxy A52. It's got a matte like finish. I think you will be able to see it now. And it does look different, I would say. I'm gonna quickly power it on. So this is the depth sensor here, and this is the macro camera. In terms of the battery capacity, you get a 4500 milliamp hour battery. Now the button placement is all on the right here, as you can see. The power button is convenient, it's easy to hit. The volume rocker, it does require a little bit of stretching. It's not a problem there. I think the back is fingerprint resistant, but it might just pick very few fingerprints. It's not that easy to spot. The camera module too is very slightly raised. I'm not sure if you can see it here, as an Infinity O display, and has a 32 megapixel selfie camera there. In terms of the thickness, or rather the weight of the device, the phone weighs around 190 grams, so it is well lighter than some of the other phones I have tested recently. At the back you get a quad camera setup, and the big three lenses, they kind of remind me of the Galaxy S21 here, but you get a quad camera setup with a 64 megapixel primary camera, a 12 megapixel ultra wide angle camera with a 123 degree field of view. You get a 5 megapixel macro camera and a 1 nano and a micro SD card slot. And as you can see, it also has a rubber seal around it, which helps waterproofing the device quite well. So this is Android 11, and along with One UI 3.1. So this is not One UI Core, but this is One UI 3.1. So you do have a few apps pre-installed. You've got Amazon PhonePe, Snapchat, Facebook, and a few more. I think you should be able to uninstall it right away. So if you don't